pretties, we've got something fresh and new for you all. Are you ready to hear about it? Well, it's the Pretty Presets Millennium collection. Guys, this collection was designed for both Lightroom on your desktop and the free Lightroom mobile app for the first time ever. How cool is that? Now, let's take a look real quick here on the presets panel over here on my right. Here I have all my amazing Pretty Presets Lightroom collections, and here at the bottom you'll see the Light and Airy Millennium collection. Now this collection comes with 9 premium light and airy presets created to enhance your images with soft, subtle color while fully protecting your subject's skin tones. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. You definitely want to do some digging and see exactly what this collection can do. So let's go ahead and edit our first image here. And we're just gonna scroll down and select South Beach. Bam, that simple, one quick click and we're done. Real quick before and after. And again, guys, one of the coolest things about this collection is that you can use it on your phone. So you can enhance your amazing images that you're posting to social media right there on your phone. So we're going to move on to the second image and have a little bit more fun here. And let's go ahead and select Spring Dreams. Dreamy. Am I right? Okay, before and after, so cool. And we're going to go through a few more images here because I know you guys love before and afters just as much as I do. Okay, so here we are with Innocence, before and after. Light, airy, and just so dreamy, guys. Okay, and we're gonna use Pearl Dust for this image. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and moving on, we're going to select the first preset here. We'll just say it's Creme Fraiche. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but hey, the name's just as cool as the preset is itself. Another real quick before and after. I am just in love with how quick and easy and most importantly, gorgeous these are to use on these images. So overall, if we were to describe the new Millennium collection, I think we could definitely say that it transforms and infuses your photos with light and airy colors. You get creamy skin tones effortlessly and soft tones that will help you define your style and create a consistent look across social media and the images that you're providing to your clients. Okay, so I know you guys want to see how we transform this image. Let's go ahead and click on Sugar Cookie. Bam. Now this is the very definition of light and airy. I'm loving it. And I'm literally scrolling through all of the presets here, and each one provides a different look but complements this image, and all of the images really just so amazingly well. Okay, so moving on, let's try out Pink Lemonade. There we go. Quick before and after, amazing. And I forgot to mention another one of the amazing benefits of Pretty Presets and the new Millennium collection is that, of course, each preset is customizable. So it's one quick click and you're done. Or if you just want to make a few tweaks, or a lot, it's completely up to you. You can absolutely do so in your edit panel. So if I wanted to bring the exposure up a little bit, I could bring that slider up. I actually like how this edit looks on its own, but again, I could play with shadows, bring that up or down, just adjust it to my particular image. It's just super nice to have that flexibility. Okay guys, let's see what Spring Dreams does for this image. Real quick before and after. I know you guys are just as addicted to them as I am. Okay, 2 more images. Let's take a look at our black and white wedding veil. How perfectly fitting is that for this image? Ta-da! Super classic. I'm loving it. And our last edit, I know I'm just as sad as you are. We're going to select a Harbor Haze. Absolutely amazing and dreamy. I think I would bring the exposure just up a little bit to have that super nice, bright, and airy effect in here. Just amazing. We had so much fun making this collection for you guys, and we're super excited to be offering it not only for Lightroom on your computer, but also the free Lightroom mobile app on your phone as well. Guys, it's never been easier to edit your images with pretty presets. We really hope you'll have just as much fun playing with these as we did making them for you all.